Black Friday is right around the corner, and have you thought about what you're going to be selling? Whether you've made a plan and you know what's right for you, or you're looking for ideas, you're going to want to stick around for today's video where I show you the 5 showstoppers that are totally going to steal the show this Black Friday. Hey, I'm Christina Scalera, and I help you to have the best Black Friday ever, especially inside your D-commerce, that's D as in digital commerce shop, where you sell digital download products through an online storefront. Now, this list has been compiled through several different things that I've been observing over the year. The first is consumer behavior. What exactly is selling well in this very strange time? I would say every year since 2020 has brought a new set of opportunities and challenges. So before 2020, for obvious reasons, things were just kind of going as is. There didn't seem to be such a harsh delineation between the years. But obviously, we had some pretty big world events that happened, and those have continued to shock and awe through 2022 for better or worse. And the next way that I know that these are going to be smash hits is because you are going to smash that like button and bring that smashing energy to these products. I make sure to pack these videos full of learning and insight for you, and all I ask in return is for a simple like, maybe a subscribe if you find this content worthy of your time. Number 1, if you are not already selling some sort of planner or journal, this is your opportunity this Black Friday because everybody's preparing for that next year. That new year, new you vibe is very, very pungent in the air. We want to make sure that we're offering some sort of planner or journal or workbook that really helps our customer to provide some self-directed insight into their life. And a planner is an even better way to do that than a journal because they're able to look at that planner throughout the year. And then when it comes time next year to purchase another planner, they're going to be looking to you for what you put out next year. And it's going to be even easier for you to put something out because the bones of it have already been laid. You just get to create fun new colors, maybe change some fonts, some formatting, add a couple pages, and this is an asset that keeps on giving year after year. So if you haven't already created a digital planner yet and you're stuck on what kind of product idea that you need in your shop, this could be a great fit, especially as Black Friday rolls around. The next thing to consider is any kind of holiday stationery or printable, especially if you're a graphic designer. So everybody is looking to have that unique Christmas card or holiday card that features their family happy and shiny and smiling on it. And the problem is that they keep turning to the same sources. In fact, I've had years where several families have sent me the same exact design. It just, I guess, was really popular that year. And so by people shopping small with you using your designs and having them printed on higher quality paper with a higher resolution, and you just simply stating those two facts to your customers, you could be winning over business for years to come with your digital stationery products. This is a really accessible way for people to support small business and for them to send something unique and beautiful out that their friends and family aren't likely to see again. This is also really easy for you to sell because all you have to do is let people know that you exist. You can go in local Facebook groups or affinity Facebook groups, say if you have a certain thing about your personality or lifestyle that has some kind of group, and you can let them know that they're now available and ready for purchase. The next product that's selling really well is anything that is going to help someone with their career or especially their career journey. So this means that if people need templates for LinkedIn, if they need cover letter templates, resume templates, the like, this is going to be a really popular hot area at the end of the year, again, as people are searching for those New Year vibes and trying to get into a new up-level job, especially in light of market conditions that are going on right now. If that isn't your specialty, you could look at what is new and exciting for the people that you would like to serve. So for example, maybe their New Year resolution year after year is that they're going to do calligraphy and you teach calligraphy. So this is the time during Black Friday to finally sell those digital calligraphy offerings like a workbook or any kind of tracing guide, things like that. Obviously, this can apply to any industry. You can just look at what your customers' biggest objections are that they always set those New Year's resolutions around, and then offer and build your product around that. In fact, you don't even have to create the product before Black Friday. You can pre-sell it. I've covered that extensively on this channel, which is also why you want to make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss those goodies packed into all the videos. And finally, this is one of my favorites. If you could package up your knowledge into a mini course, like a very, very, very mini micro course, we're talking something that allows someone to watch it in a half hour and get results in the following half hour. That would be a great holiday offer. People are looking for quick wins before the end of the year, before their attention and time is taken away by the holidays and time off and New Year stuff and family and all the other stuff that happens at the end of the year. So if you could give them that quick win in an hour or less with some kind of very helpful mini course in your area of expertise, then this is a great offer to sell during Black Friday. It's also a great way for you to introduce your bigger offers. So if you have any high ticket programs or any bigger courses or products, templates, things like that, and you want people to just get in the door somehow, you can offer them these mini courses during Black Friday and then up-level them into your higher ticket offers later in December. I hope these products have been pretty fun for you. And if you want even more inspiration as to why you should keep going with your Black Friday ideas and turning that into a reality, you're going to want to click the video on your screen that shows you how I made over 6 figures last Black Friday and the Black Friday before it. So you're going to want to check that out and let me know what you think in the comments there. If you learned anything, I think you're going to learn a lot actually. But I would love to know what your biggest takeaway is there that you're getting ready to implement for your Black Friday sales. Bye everyone.